What's up, everybody? Paradox 2311. I got this package last Friday, and it's Saturday morning, and it's actually been sitting inside the house by the front door since last Friday, and I knew exactly what it was, so I didn't bother to pick it up or anything like that. When I got home, it was already inside, but I just picked it up. I don't know. I'm gonna pop the top. Academy did a very good job on the packaging with this one. Plenty of packaging for this one bucket. Look at that. Look at that. Nicely packaged. Nicely packaged. Even saran wrapped the bucket. Guys, on the price for these buckets, $124.99. This one, absolutely free. Paradox 2311. Get yours, 'cause I'm gonna get mine.